Hey guys, welcome back to the Normal Box. It's me, Maddie, and today I just got a box of fidgets and I'm just going to show them to you guys. So, well, more like a fidget haul. So, I got this infinity cube. It is pink and a baby pink and a baby blue. So yeah, there's that. There is this turquoise octagon puppet. The bad side, you can't hear it. It's the bad side and the good side. And it's like a turquoise green. Next is this puzzle cube. I already solved it. Well,
I think that's more of a puzzle sphere.
I mean, not a puzzle cube, puzzle ball.
There you go.
A puzzle ball. So what you do is you just pop the little ball into it, and then you just pop it into its color, and I already did all of that with it. Next is this really cool fidget spinner. It's small, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces, something, yeah. It goes really fast. It's a pink color. I really like it. And it has like little marbles that you can like push around and stuff, which is really fun. Next are these monkey noodles. They're very, very thin monkey noodles. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. 6 monkey noodles. And there's pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. They stretch far. They stretch really far. They're very noodly. They're not sticky, which is very good. They're like little octopus legs. Next thing, 4 marble meshes. 4 marble meshes, whatever you guys would call them when they're like quadruplets. There's a very light green of one. There's a light pink, yellow, and a light blue.
I like the light blue one.
Yeah, I like that too. Next are these things. Can you point the camera toward the floor? Okay, so I think this is what you do with them. You just do that, and then they pop. I don't think it really
Oh, you got
works.
to do it on like the hard
Tile.
surface or
Okay,
something.
let's go to the tile. Okay, guys, we're on the tile. So let's try them on the tile. Oh, or what do you do with these
I don't
things?
even know.
Because do you just put them on your finger?
No, here, let me see one. But we'll just continue on. To be continued.
Are you videoing?
Yeah, I'm videoing still. Here.
Okay.
What you do is you hold it like that, and then you. What?
Because
Oh! Wow.
okay, so
Put it on the floor. No, you gotta. Yeah. Whatever.
okay, whatever.
We'll figure it out.
Next fidget.
Yep. Got my toes.
We have this chicken.
Oh, it's a rubber chicken.
Yeah, it's like a rubber chicken, but it has a weird thing right back there. And it doesn't have an inside.
Dude, it's a rubber chicken.
Is that like a mochi that And it doesn't have the inside of it?
No, it's just a rubber chicken.
It's stretchy, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Next, we have 4 mochis. So, they're all cats.
Mm-hmm.
We have a pink cat here,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
yellow cat.
That looks like a Pikachu.
Kind of does.
Mm-hmm.
Gray cat, white cat with orange spots.
Nice, nice, nice.
Nice, nice. Which one's your favorite cat?
I think the one that looks like Pikachu is probably my favorite.
My favorite is this one because I have this mochi, but it's dirty because it's with my other mochi.
Well, now you got a clean one.
Now I have a clean one. Yay! Next are these 2 sport balls.
Mm-hmm.
They're hard.
Oh, they're hard squishies?
They're hard stress balls. They're not squishies, they're stress balls.
Okay.
Like they're hard. This one's like the hardest.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's hard. And this one's more softer. But I like this one more because it's more of a stress ball. Have the football.
Oh, wow, that is.
And then this is
It's
the
like crunch, 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 crunch.
and then this is the basketball.
Oh, the basketball's not that scrunchy. Whoopsh.
Oh.
Oh. Yeah, whatever. Hi, Coco.
We could play like basketball with this. I mean,
Football? With
Football.
that? Yeah.
next we have a fidget cube. I've been wanting one of these for so long. It has the little light switch, is what I like to call
Little
it.
joystick flipper.
Next we have this thingy that goes on a circle.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have the buttons. This one works, that one works, that one works, and that one works, but the middle one does not work. It does not click. We have a marble
Mm-hmm.
in here with like a little stuff right there. At the bottom we have a little, like you just do that with
Like a little worry thing.
Yeah, kind of like what Mom makes.
Yeah, the worry sense.
Yeah, the worry stands.
Mhm.
And then next is this thingy,
It's like a controller.
like a controller lever thingy,
Mm-hmm.
something like that. Next we have these skateboards.
You know, I used to play with fingerboards when
Yeah,
when
fingerboards.
I was a kid.
And this one, they do that. They go like that.
Oh, they're
Yeah, they go back and then they go forward,
okay.
like those cards. And then you just like fingerboard with them.
Yeah. I used to have a fingerboard that looked like a real skateboard.
Really?
Yeah.
That's cool.
You could do tricks with it and stuff. It was cool.
Nancy needs a skateboard.
Yeah.
If you guys are wondering who Nancy is, she is our bunny rabbit.
The bunny rabbit.
Yeah, bunny rabbit who makes a big mess.
Mm-hmm.
Next are these unicorn things. They're really stretchy. Kind of like how monkey noodles would be, but I don't think they are monkey noodles.
Yeah.
Oh, this
That's
one's a
like-
dinosaur,
Dinosaur?
and this one's a unicorn. I thought they were both unicorns. I just
Oh.
didn't look at them the right way. But these are really cool. The dinosaur is yellow, and the unicorn is turquoise.
Yeah.
Just like dinosaurs and unicorns should be. Next. Okay, these are really hard to stack on top of each other. That's probably why they're called puzzle stacking men.
Mm-hmm.
They are so hard to stack on top of each other, but eventually I got one row done.
Nice.
They're really hard. You cannot do them on carpet. You have to do them on tile. So yeah. Next are 2 wacky tracks. Mom has one exactly like this, but it's light blue.
Mhm.
It's dark blue. So the wacky tracks, just like normal wacky tracks, but there's 2 of them, and you can connect these together, which I like. I'm going to do them this way so we know that they're both separate. And now it's a super duper 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 long wacky track. The 2 different patterns, 2 different designs. I'll do that later while we're not on camera. Yeah. Oof. Okay. Next is this marble thingy.
It's a marble maze.
Marble maze. Yes, that's what it's called. The marble is stuck inside, and I don't think you can open it.
Nope.
You can't open this, but the marbles. Oh, found the marble. And you just like maze it. Oh, it's stuck. There we go. Got it. And then you like try and put it through these holes that are in here. Yeah, like this.
Yep.
Try and make it through a hole. Next are these puzzle stuff. This one I already did, but it didn't. I don't know how to put it back together. So yeah. These two I couldn't do, but I'm glad because I only was able to do this one right here, and then easy to put it back. That. So there's those. There's a cube, ball, and this one was like a maze of all sorts. But yeah. Next we have a bicycle chain. I've been wanting one of these for so long, and I finally have one. And it's my favorite color, blue. So I love it. I love it so much. I just can't stop playing with it. Okay, next are these like little cars, I guess. I don't know why they're fidget, but they are. Because it came in this 54 pack of fidgets. So there's a turtle, a duck, a crab, and an airplane, and they do the exact same thing. When they go back, they go forward, like you can hear the wheels. And that is all for the 54 pack of fidgets. Woo! We did it. Oh, how much was this again?
Can't remember.
I think it was like $13.
13?
Oh,
yeah, it was $13.
And you can buy this online on
Yeah.
Amazon for $13.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
And make sure to, and before we end this video, make sure to subscribe, like, comment down below.
And share with your friends.
And share.
Yeah.
Share. And, oh yeah, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our new videos.
New videos.
And comment down below if you guys like my earrings.
Yay.
I just got them today. Bye.